Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can make our data connection between two Excel workbooks. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important if you are working in any organization, especially you are working in any banks or you are working in any school in which you have to deal with multiple workbooks and you have to get the data from multiple workbooks. So this topic is very important and it could be helpful for you. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. First of all, we have to understand, friend, what is Excel. Excel is used for maintaining the data. Normally it is used in banks and schools and colleges, etc., to maintain the data. Now friend, why we need to make data connection between two workbooks, Excel workbooks? Why? Because see friend, many times it happens that, for example, let me give you an example. For example, you are a merchant and you have a shop on which you have multiple POS, point of sale systems are there, and in one Excel sheet you are maintaining the data related to POS, okay, data related to point of sale systems, and you want to make another Excel sheet which called as dashboard, for example, which you want to present it to your bosses based on that. Okay, so this is your main purpose of making two share Excel workbooks. So here just for example, to simulate the scenario, we have two Excel worksheets. One sheet is data source. Okay, this is the data source file in which all our data exist. Okay, so this is our data source file in which like serial number, date and POS serial numbers exist. So this is our main source file in which all the data exist. Another sheet is the dashboard sheet. This is the dashboard sheet. We want that this dashboard should be connected with our data source so that we can create charts, graphical representation to, so that we can present it to our senior management. So let's start with how we can do it that click on the data option like that. Okay, then click on the existing connections here. Okay, then browse for more option here. Okay, now find out your data source file in which you want to connect your file with it. So here this is the file, uh, this is my data source file, this. Okay, once I click on that, open, so it is showing me that only one Excel sheet is in it. Obviously there is only one sheet. If there are multiple sheets, so it will show you. Okay, also the first row of data column header. So once I will click on that, like, okay, so see what will happen. It is showing me select how you want to view the data in your table. I want to show it in a table format. Okay, so see, all the data will come like that. Here it will be presented. Okay, here a very important thing is that, friend, my data source file is my source file. Whenever data will be updated in my source file, so my dashboard file will also be refreshed. Okay, it will also pick always the data which is the latest data. For example, let me show an example here. For example, on the first row the data is 322006555. Okay, so just for an example, what I can do here, I will go in my data source file. Okay, and this is the my first row, 322200655. So what I will do, I will update that data with 888. Okay, I will update that data 322200688. Now I will open my dashboard here. Okay, it is showing as 555. Now what I will do, I will go in the data and here is the refresh option. This is the refresh option. Once I will refresh, see, the data has been refreshed. So now it is coming as 322206388. So the very good option is that whenever your data source will be updated, your main dashboard will also be updated. So friend, you can use this approach to connect two files, and you can get the data from one file to another file, and by using this you can create multiple charts, you can sort the data, you can represent it to your senior management, and you can use this data for dashboard purpose as well. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.